Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for digital marketing business on Wix easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own website without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the site. Now create new site, and now enter your business or website type. Wait a few seconds to prepare in the dashboard. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's skip this. Here you can set your default working hours, and here if you want to add services, and here add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Offers very virtual sessions, accept online payments, this and this. So let's continue the dashboard. Design your site. So here, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now wait a few seconds. Now enter your information, your name, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you want to add a social link, let's click next. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage. Pick some homepage you like and continue. Here if you want to add page to your site, now let's continue. Wait a few seconds to generate this website. Go to editor if you want to edit more your website. So this is the settings of the website. Here you can add elements. So for the text section, the same text. Here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing. Also the titles, the same thing here, and the paragraph, the same thing. So let's move on to the image. If you want to if you're looking for something here, search it, and if you want to show more, so let's move on to the button. The button here, if you want to edit the themed buttons, the shape or the size of the buttons, text and icon buttons, the icon buttons and the image buttons, the document buttons and the iTunes buttons. Here are the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the next. Here the strip section, you can edit the classic or the featured. If you want to add about or services or contact or welcome or testimonials or theme. Let's move on to the decorative section. Here are the shapes, the streamed lines and the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. This is the vector art, the featured and the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and badges, and the characters. Here the video section, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the box. The boxes section. Here the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. So let's move on to the next. The gallery here, the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, and the guide galleries, the slider galleries, and here more galleries. So let's move on to the menu and the anchor. The same the menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, and here the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. The contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, and application forms, the feedback, the request forms, the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. And this is the Google Maps, the maps, and the full width maps, the chat, the Wix chat, and the line chat. Let's move on to the video and music. Here the video, if you want to edit the video settings, Wix video, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. And here the music, the audio players, the Wix music, and SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes button. So let's move on to the next interactive section. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, the interactive, here if you want to edit your slideshows, full width slideshows or box slideshows. And here the light boxes, here the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, the repeaters, here the over repeaters. So let's move on to the list over repeaters and the blank repeaters, and embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do single video players, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes button. Here if you want to edit the audio, advanced. Here if you want to edit the marketing tools, or Velo Dev mode, or the animation. So let's move on to the social. Here the social bar, if you want to edit the social bar, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. The payments also, here if you want to edit your payment settings, and the CMS if you want to manage your site content, the blog and the store, and the bookings, the events, and the community. And here the last thing is your designs. So let's move on. Here if you want to add section, here you can add section. Just select any section you want here. Let's move on to the next, the page and menu. If you want to add page and menu, here select any page you want. So let's move on. Here if you want to design your site, if you want to edit your color theme, or your text theme, or your page background, or the page transitions. So let's move on. Here if you want to add more apps, here if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to edit your business, here you can edit the media section. If you want to upload your media, Facebook or Instagram or Google Drive, here you can, if you're looking for something. And here if you want to manage your site content. And the last thing here is marketing and SEO. So that's it. If you want to edit your site from here, if you want to move it the section up or move it down, and if you want to do a quick edit, if you want to explore section layout, and here if you want more actions, just select if you want to delete the section, or if you want to duplicate it, if you want to copy or cut. So after you complete the editing of this website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.